fidget trading with my sister again. Adopt Me, 4th edition. And we're not going to do Sunshine, we'll just do this. If you're wondering, this is accept, this is decline, this is plus. I drew a plus on here because I didn't have it. I know you can't really see it, but there's a plus down there. And we both have to press accept. Whoever presses it first just accepts, and the other person also has to press accept and decline. If the other person doesn't want to decline, then you don't need it. This is just the word trade. Okay, so I guess let's trade. Okay, I'm going to go first. I'm going to offer. I'm going to start with top. I'm going to offer this. And if you're wondering, yes, 3 items maximum. So offer this.
3 items.
Maximum. And I'm only offering 1 time. I'm going to put this in 1 square. It's really good.
Well, I like this a lot. I don't really accept.
Oh my gosh, accept, sure.
Accept.
I got a dimple. Okay, I'm going to offer this infinity cube. See if she has an offer. Hitting infinity cube, going once, going twice.
I quite like an infinity cube, so I'm gonna add this cube.
Can you add? This is a bit rare.
Oh, fine.
Which color you want?
Oh,
Orange?
accept.
Accept. I want to.
Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.